Now, international transfers, I think as we were just hearing very nicely from our last panel session, is certainly not a unique or recent issue, and certainly not unique to Europe or to the UK, but it's certainly an issue that has come really into stark focus in the last couple of years. I think, like it or loathe it, I think it has been one of the top legal risks and operational challenges that we know organisations have been wrestling with. The last 12 to 18 months have been full of data mapping, data strategies, government access policies, local law assessments, transfer impact assessments, standard contractual clauses updates. I could probably go on. But equally, all of that done in the context of perhaps not necessarily full certainty of what the longer term picture on international transfers might look like. That's why I'm delighted this morning to be joined by Anne Schmuller from the European Commission to look at their recent work, particularly in the context of adequacy, but also looking at the broader international transfer picture from the European Commission's perspective. Anne is a policy officer in the International Transfer or International Data Flows and Protection Unit, works closely with Bruno Gencarelli, who many of you will know, and Anne's been in that role since 2017, so a particularly interesting time to be right at the heart of data transfer issues globally. It's Anne's first time at Cambridge, so you're very welcome, and we're really glad that you were able to come along today. Just to give a brief, in terms of the overview for the session, Anne will speak for about 20 minutes or so, covering a number of topics that I've just sort of touched on. We'll do a few sort of questions to pick up on perhaps some of the hot topics, some of those interesting international initiatives that were just mentioned in the last session. We'll touch on any updates from the US discussions and obviously I think something that will be front of mind for many colleagues here, any initial views on the UK data reform package that was being announced in more detail recently. I'm hoping we may get a bonus update from Switzerland if yours, Mayor Lambro, is in the audience here. Hi, yours. So great. Delighted that you were able to join us and hopefully allow a few minutes for yours to give us an update as well. And I'm keen that we try and allow about 10 minutes or so for questions from the audience as well.